Oh, hi.
Joker stream here. This was one of the cosplays that we did live on stream. It's inspired by Jared Leto's Joker from Suicide Squad. I attempted to do away with the eyebrows that Jared Leto shaved off for the movie with iMagic Professional Cosmetics Plasto Wax. And honestly, it was already not going the way that I had hoped. My eyebrows were getting pinched. There were creases everywhere. And yeah, I was very uncomfortable. Going forward, I would have used Elmer's washable school glue, disappearing purple. But for this, I didn't have that. So I was committed to seeing this through. Just like Jared Leto in Suicide Squad, no turning back now.
I mean, the good news is I got that too. At least no matter what, I can just sit here the whole time.
The powder that we used was not working. I did my entire face in the powder, but going over the eyebrows was just not going to conceal everything. So I had to pivot to the only thing that I had available, which was the CC Beauty face paint in white #1. Look, I'm not hitting that flesh tone vibe I was going for. This is looking more like clown than Suicide Squad Joker, but we're sending it anyway. Now I'm painting the lower half of my face white. This is taking forever, but I gotta be solid because everything else, the scars, the tattoos, all the details, they're sitting on top of this. So yeah, this is very tedious, but we just gotta keep it moving. Now I'm still trying to fill in all those gaps from the wax for my eyebrows that are pretty visible still underneath it, but I'm doing what I can to cover them up. Should have used that Elmer's glue that we talked about earlier, but already too far in. Full face coverage in white now. I've already got my hair dyed green, so I'm starting to bring that green in around the widow's peaks that I have and tie it all together and give it that nice, clean, sharp line across the hair and makeup. It's all starting to come together now. Moving on to the eyeshadow now, building up the colors and details around the eyes. Now I'm layering the eyeshadow, and around here I'm starting to add some scarring around the eyes, just some lines to give that damaged look. I'm also working on the star tattoos on the right temple. These details are what really sell Jared Leto's Joker, and I'm touching them up as I go. Now I'm tackling the damaged tattoo on my forehead. This one's tricky because I'm doing it backwards, and honestly, I had to redo it 3 times. Chat was not happy having to sit through and watch me fumble again. Even the final version of the lettering is too big, but we're sending it in anyway. Next time, I'm using the water-based tattoo instead of attempting this by hand. Now I'm moving on to the J on the left cheek. Getting those letter details right takes precision, but it is coming together. From here, it's all about the detail work and cleaning everything up around the scars, adding those wrinkled lines in between the eyebrows. This version of Joker is all about the fights he's been through, the gangster aesthetic, those over-the-top tattoos and scars that all tell his story. Now for the red lips, this is that iconic red smile, white face, green hair combo that defines Joker. Even though Jared Leto's version keeps it tighter around the lips, it's still that unmistakable vibe.
You guys ready? It won't make sense now, but it will later, okay? We did it, chat.
This is the inspiration for Jared Leto in the back of that helicopter in the tuxedo with the white flower where he rescues Harley Quinn. I built my whole scene and cosplay around this moment. So let's see how close we got.
Woo!
Let's go, chat! Be honest. Let me know your feedback. Tell me how bad it is or how much you love it. Either way, post a comment, smash that like button, and tune in for more cosplay tutorials going forward. Thank you for supporting me. Yo, who bought a pink Ford Lightning? Hey, Superman here from Joker Stream. If you like that content and you want to watch more like it, click right here. And if you want to watch the whole video, be super and click right here.